In this video, we'll go over some simple conversions from one unit to another. So converting 22.6 meters to decimeter, we realize that for every 1 meter, there is 10 decimeters. So start with what you're given and be able to cancel out the units. That's the relationship between meters and decimeters. Just like 1 meter is 100 centimeters, 1 meter is 10 decimeters. Decimeters equal to 10, decis equal to 10, centis equal to 100. So that's the conversion factor that you will use for this. How about converting milligrams to kilograms? So the base unit is still grams. Milli is 10 to the minus 3. Kilo is 10 to the third. So start with what you're given, 25.4 milligrams. I'm going to go ahead and convert it to the base unit, which is grams. So we know that for every 1 gram, there is 1,000 milligrams. So this is an important conversion factor. I really would like for you to memorize this one, because if you don't understand how to convert or the prefixes milli, centi, deci, at least memorize that 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams. Notice the 1,000 milligrams is in the denominator to get the milligrams to cancel. And then finally, kilo is 1,000. That's the meaning of the prefix kilo. So that means for every 1,000 grams, there's 1 kilogram. Again, make sure your units cancel, and they do. You're given milligrams, you're asked to convert to kilograms, and you have kilograms as part of your final answer. So doing that on my calculator, I'm getting an answer of 2.54 times 10 to the minus 5 kilograms. Let's move on to part C, milliliters to liters. Again, the base unit is the same. Start with what you're given, 556 milliliters. And this is also just as important. 1,000 milliliters is the same as 1 liter. That's the conversion factor. Just as 1,000 milligrams is 1 gram, 1,000 milliliters is 1 liter. The units cancel out. You're given milliliters. You're asked to find it in liters. Milliliters cancel out, and the final answer is going to be 0.556 liters. Let's do our final problem here, starting out with 10.6 kilograms per meter cubed. So start with what you're given, which is 10.6 kilograms per meter cubed. We know that for every 1,000 grams, there is 1 kilogram. So put your kilogram at the bottom to get the unit to cancel out. So kilo means 10 to the third, so 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. And we need a centimeter cubed at the bottom. So our grams are at the numerator, which is fine. You can see by the dots there. What we need now is the meters to be at the denominator. We need the centimeters to be at the denominator, and we also need to cube it. Remember, it's grams per centimeter cubed. A lot of people realize that 1 meter is 100 centimeters. They use that proper conversion factor, but they forget to cube it. So please don't forget to cube. Kilograms cancel. Grams is left at the numerator. Meters cubed cancels out with meters cubed. Don't forget to cube the centimeters. Finally, units, unit. Do not just put the number in, put the number with the units anytime that you have the possibility to. A number is meaningless. A number with units that has a number